Level 1, 8 count month. Peter, Naomi, you. We reviewed the circle. Did great.
So good.
Then we did a swing out for close.
Swing all the time.
So
Go,
we
just
do a
like this.
circle and then swing out.
Circle.
Okay.
Then
Take your
circle.
five.
That way.
And then a circle. Open.
We have practice for leaders. We had this vibe, go back and forth, and then we take a 360. So we're still in line. This is like a swing out. Swing out. I'm practicing swing out. If I do a circle, it's much more in place. Right underneath me. Circular. So we try to swing up, down the climb, and then circle, right in place. But then I'll repeat, that's your practice leaders if you have no partner handy.
Followers, we practice. Rock step. Boom, 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 boom. Turning sideways. And then we did it in 8 counts. Boom, boom, step, step, a little open. Boom, step, step, a little open. But we don't always get to rock step. So what we want you to do during your lunch break is actually just do 8 count forward here. And then start moving around with it to some new places. Because that's what we need to get used to.
So to put this back together, leaders, once again, I take my circle, I take my swing towards the line, and I let go. I come back into a circle,
Face my partner.
here. And followers, you get to practice after the swing up. That's your practice right there. You're trying to do your thing, and leaders catch it when you right you. Good luck, that is it.